Hi, I'm Teacher Archie of Higama Colleges Foundation Incorporated, your Science 10 teacher. For today's lesson, we will discuss the uses of plane mirrors in optical devices.
Mirrors and lenses both have the ability to reflect or refract light. This property has put mirrors and lenses in use for centuries. As of 2010, mirrors and lenses are so prevalent that most people use them every day, regardless of whether or not they consciously perceive the use. There are standard and innovative uses of mirrors. Optical devices. Optical instruments are the devices that process light wave to improve an image for clearer viewing. Using an optical instrument like a magnifying lens or other complex device like microscope or telescope usually makes things bigger and allows us to see in a more detailed manner. Using converging lenses makes things look bigger, and on the other hand, diverging lenses always get smaller images for you. The first optical instruments were telescopes, which were used to magnify distant images, and microscopes used for magnifying very small images. These instruments have been greatly improved since the days of Galileo and van Leeuwenhoek, and have been extended into other portions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Plane mirrors. A mirror with a flat surface is a plane mirror, an ordinary mirror without a curve inside and out. These mirrors can be found almost anywhere, from bathrooms to hallways, to exteriors of buildings, and knowing how they reflect light can make complex mirror variants significantly easier to understand. The images that a plane mirror reflects are known as virtual images, but they are different from the simulated digital images that you can see on your computer screen or in a game on your phone. The difference between a real versus virtual image is that a real image is formed when light converges at a point, like looking at an apple on your desk. A virtual image is formed from two divergent rays of light which never meet. To simplify, a plane mirror creates an image of an object you cannot touch. This way, all mirrors create virtual images, but plane mirrors reflect light differently than concave or convex mirrors do. Lesson 2. The application of plane mirrors. Elevator mirrors. Elevators are one of the greatest products of technology because going up 25 flights of stairs sounds tiring and time-consuming. If you thought that the creators of elevators were only concerned with the engineering part of it, you're definitely wrong. Installed mirrors are strategically placed for a great reason. Periscope. A periscope is an instrument for observation over, around, or through an object, obstacle, or condition that prevents direct line of sight observation from an observer's current position. A kaleidoscope is a toy that uses light and mirrors to reflect objects that create beautiful, fascinating repeating patterns. There are many different types of kaleidoscopes that create different patterns, but all use the same basic laws of physics, manipulating light and reflection. My question is that why is the word ambulance written in reverse? To give you the full explanation why is it that the word ambulance is written in a reverse manner, copy the link and search on YouTube. Lesson 3. Uses of curved mirrors in optical devices. What is convex mirrors? Convex mirrors curve outwardly. Light rays diverge as they reflect off the curve of this mirror. When the rays converge again, the viewer sees an image. Convex mirror images are upright and appear farther away than they really are. What is concave mirrors? Concave mirrors curve inwardly. Light rays diverge off the curve of this mirror. The image may be upside down if the object is too far away. When the object is close to the mirror, it appears right side up and magnified. Application of curved mirrors. Side mirror. Side mirror used as a rear view mirrors in vehicles. Dental mirror. The use of a mirror to view a tooth surface or intraoral structure that cannot be seen directly. Solar cooker are used in solar cookers and work on the principle of reflection. Lenses. A lens is a transparent optical device used to converge or diverge transmitted light and to form images. There are terms in optics. Focal length is the point where parallel rays converge when after passing through a lens. Focal length of a lens is the distance from its center to the focal point. Optical axis is the line of symmetry for the lens. Light ray is an approximation of the path of light, where straight lines are used to represent the motion of light waves. And biconvex lens is a simple optical lens with two convex. A magnifying glass is a convex lens used to make an object appear much larger than it actually is. This works when the object is placed at a distance less than the focal length from the lens. Eyeglasses are the most common form of eyewear, used to correct or improve many types of vision problems. A camera is an optical instrument used to capture an image. A microscope is an instrument that used to magnify small objects.
That ends our lesson for today. The complete information is available in our LMS, Messenger, and Google platforms. Remember to send me your exit responses on our chat room with the following given patterns: 3 things you've learned today, 2 things you found interesting with this lecture, and 1 question you still have in your mind regarding the lesson. Rate also your understanding of today's lesson by sending one of the following emojis: satisfied, happy, confused, boring, and sleepy. See you in our next discussion.